Hello and welcome to ThinkMarriage channel, where we showcase what works in marriage and relationships to help you reach your relationship goals to enjoy life to the max. In this video, you will learn how to avoid divorce and save your marriage. You will understand that love is superior to and more powerful than rancor and hate. You will get to know that your particular marital issue is resolvable, and with God, all things are possible. Every relationship requires commitment and consistency. Every great and loving relationship is a reflection of great love decisions made by the people involved. The moment they alter the decisions, the taste of the relationship changes. On the outside, one person feels the other person has changed. Yes, that change is just a reflection of a changed, altered decision. In every relationship and marriage, it takes two to tango. Most misunderstandings are rooted in misinformation, mistrust, lack of knowledge, miscommunication, or a complete lack of communication, and then the big one, ego. People generally love peace. There are a few exceptions to this. Nobody starts out with, "I will sue for divorce after 2 days or 2 years or 2 decades of marriage." But many are faced with this plague of divorce today. Some have vowed to live together but are mentally divorced. How do you avoid divorce and save your marriage? I will tell a life story here. A friend had been having issues with her husband for over 2 years, having been married for about 15 years. Their friends, relations, and even bosses had tried to broker peace to no avail. The tempest kept raging. The man had made up his mind to sue for divorce. Every attempt to stop him failed. He already had another woman he said he was in love with and ready to spend the rest of his life with. It was a very tough situation for both of them, as they completely discountenanced the marriage covenant they had together. Life is tough, as it were. To add the issue of a bad marriage and a bad relationship to it is like pouring petrol into a blazing fire. I talked often with my friend, but at every point she was spitting fire and brimstone. I insisted to her that divorce was not the best option. God, who created marriage in the first place, hates divorce. Yeah, before you raise all the many words against this statement, wait till you hear the end of the story, please. One of the things that have helped me in over 3 decades of marriage is to just locate where God stands in an issue, and I stand there, even if the whole world is tumbling upside down in the opposite direction. This would make you unpopular, but if you are to make a difference in life, you must learn to stand out and shun conformity. She turned down the many invitations I gave her to come to see me in our home. She lives in a different city. She asked what counsel I would give that would beat the ones given by men and women of global influence and authority. Our solution to issues could be packaged in a layman's little domestic maid. We must be careful to hear this little voice whenever it speaks. One day she decided to come over. She repeated that story I had known. "My husband doesn't want me anymore. I don't want him either. I want us to go our separate ways. There's another woman in his life." I asked her, "Does your Father God accept you? Does he love and accept you in every sense of the word?" She said, "Yes, of course." I asked, "Are you really sure of your yes answer? Are you convinced God, the owner of the universe, the creator of your husband and the whole world, has made you acceptable to himself?" She said, "Yes." "Okay, if God in his indescribable power and glory accepts you, who is your husband not to accept you?" It was as if a light bulb got lit in a dark tunnel for her. She couldn't hold her excitement. I also showed her Malachi 2:15, that God made the two of them one because he expects them to raise godly seeds to his glory. That sealed it. She left her home excited. Within 4 days, she sent me long messages. I couldn't quite understand the messages until I called her. She said the apologies and love notes were from her husband. What happened? She got home and went to her husband's study where he was reading and knelt down to apologize for all her contribution to the long-drawn warfare. You think he got excited? Nope. He ignored her and instead went to a friend of his to deride her and what she said. The guy chided him for his cold-heartedness. That was it. The dam broke loose. He went back begging her forgiveness, promising love and heaven. Many years have come and gone, and to God's glory, they are still together in genuine love with each other. How to avoid divorce and save your marriage. Kill your ego and do your own part. It may not be easy. In short, it will not be easy. Marriage is good for you. You can make it blissful by committing to it and burning every bridge of escape. It's a hard thing. Dear wife, do everything to ensure you respect your husband in everything, even if you are the next female president of your nation. Take your proper God-ordained place at home, wife. Dear husband, love your wife to the max. Let her be able to boast of your love for her. Tell her, show her this love. Make your love very obvious. Be tender-hearted towards each other. Speak kind words to each other, no matter what. Forgive every misstep with ease. Celebrate each other's win as our win. Keep your romance aflame. Keep your sex life with each other sweet and active. Be careful not to deny each other ready access at any time and anywhere. Be open to each other about your finances, investments, career goals, and general future plans. Enjoy being friends. Enjoy each other. In your mind, you probably have a catalog of all that your wife or your husband has done wrong. Now let it go. Get a book to write down every good thing he or she has ever done for you. Please, this is important. It may take you a whole month to build up this new heartwarming catalog. Yes, go ahead and write them. At least 10 a day for the next 30 days. Beautiful marriage is work. You must work at it daily and keep to your decision to make it work. We look forward to celebrating your peace, love, and blissful marriage with you. Avoid divorce and save your marriage. Thank you for watching. Please click the thumbs up button to show you like what you just watched, and click the subscribe button to get to know when next Think Marriage uploads another power-packed video like this. And let's read how you resolved a marital issue to avoid divorce and save your marriage using the tips we have shared on this video in the comments area below. Be part of our Think Marriage community, please. See you at another video. Goodbye.